Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've ever heard of AI generated music, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you which tool is the best to create your own AI generated music. We're having a look at Suno, we're having a look at Beatoven.ai, and ultimately we want to know which one is best for you as an individual. Looking at Suno now, Suno came out like a long time ago. Suno's been making great music, and the thing about Suno is they've got so many wonderful features, both in the free tier and it was a paid tier. So you can generate music straight from text. All you need to use is a simple prompt, which I think is absolutely amazing. If you need some inspiration, you can actually literally just type in what you feel like hearing or creating, and literally it'll create it for you. It'll do everything for you. It gives you the lyrics, it gives you the outline, absolutely everything. Also, you get high quality audio output, which is great. It does produce professional grade soundtracks with rich clarity and real depth that's suitable for personal projects as well as commercial distribution. Also, you get custom modes and editing. Some advanced tools allow you to select your genre. You can add vocals, remix tracks. You can actually edit on the go as well. And also, it gives you accessible pricing. So their free tier offers 10 songs a day. Their pro plan is just $6 a month, and it unlocks 500 songs monthly, which is a lot. Also, some of their use cases: content creators are creating their own music, and they are using it in their content instead of having to pay royalties or using royalty-free music, which is not always the best option. Now they own it, they can make it whatever they want. Game developers now also, they face the same troubles. They don't have to worry about copyright, they don't have to worry about royalties, anything like that. They literally, it's their own music. Some of their competitive market advantages: this really is where speed meets quality. They outperform their traditional DAWs by generating professional music in minutes versus hours or days without sacrificing audio fidelity or creative control. It's also democratizing access, so it eliminates the barriers to music creation. There's no expensive equipment needed, there's no studio time, years of training needed. Literally anyone can create. And then it's also commercially ready. So their pro and premium plans grant full commercial licensing rights, enabling professional distribution for Spotify, Apple Music, and wherever else you want to distribute it to. We're looking at Beatoven now, and Beatoven creates AI-powered generated music. It generates original royalty-free background music tailored to your content by simply describing the mood or style you envision. Proprietary AI model crafts unique soundtracks instantly, eliminating the need for repetitive stock tracks. Also, you can create high-fidelity sound effects on demand with simple prompts, acting as your personal AI Foley artist for any project that you need. There are over 2 million creators that have generated more than 15 million tracks for videos, enhancing storytelling with custom soundtracks. They give you seamless background music integrations through their intuitive UI that requires no audio engineering expertise, and you can achieve precise music alignment with your creative vision, creating immersive experiences that really captivate your players. You can see over here, they have positioned themselves as an industry leader in the AI music generation sector with a unique blend of music intelligence and sound effect generation capabilities. Beatoven.ai actually serves diverse creative industries with unprecedented customization and ease of use. Also, unlike your generic stock music libraries, every track fits your exact project needs, saving you licensing costs and valuable production time. You get clean, non-overwhelming interfaces that are praised by users for simplifying music creation, even for non-experts and first-time users. And they also provide an API access for workflow automations and platform integrations, enabling scalabilities for businesses of literally any size you can imagine. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, a fantastic comparison of two of the best. Having a look at what exactly they offer, it's always a nice takeaway to figure out what works best for you. Use some of the different software and really figure out what works. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.